As we get ready for the holidays festivities, well, we all want to look and feel our best when it comes to celebrating with our friends and family. Dr. John Standefer from Fresh Image Cosmetic Surgery Center, he's here to talk to us on how you can really feel younger and have a little more confidence this holiday season. We're happy to have you here on Good Morning Texas.
Thank you, Lena.
Yeah, you bet. So tell me a little bit about you and Fresh Image Cosmetic Surgery Center.
Well, I started my practice in 1983, 33 years ago, and truly been blessed. I've been able to do over 10,000 cosmetic surgery procedures, and most of those are facelifts, but we always add eyelids or, brow lifts if we need to, and rhinoplasties, otoplasties, even, lip lifts and lip implants. So we get to do the whole gamut of everything at Fresh Image Cosmetic Surgery.
It sounds like you've done it all.
I've been around a lot.
So obviously you're helping patients with so many different types of complaints, and you're helping them find some real results to make them feel better about themselves.
Absolutely. That's the most fun part of this procedure, is watching people go through that transition. They come in, they've either lost a little confidence in their appearance, or they don't look like they feel inside, and they come in and they go through this transformation, and what a wonderful feeling to be able to watch them go through that trance. They come in more confident and
I always enjoy talking to you because you get so excited and so happy about the way that your patients, whenever everything is said and done, how really life-changing it is. And I know that you obviously play such a big part in that. And so we're talking about the Fresh Lift surgery. Okay, why is this so unique, and what is it?
Well, Fresh Lift is done in the office, so it's and we also can customize it. Since we have all the things available, we can do not just the lift, and we sit down and we talk to them and we decide what's the best for them, what's going to make them happy. Whether we do just the lift, or we add eyelids, or we add a brow lift, or we add otoplasty or a rhinoplasty, we can do all of those things, and we have the whole gamut, and we can do surgical and non-surgical procedures to get them the look that they want. You
know what, that's really good, because some folks are a little nervous about the quote-unquote knife or needle or whatever it may be, but knowing that there's plenty of options that are not invasive is always a plus. And so we can actually get this done before the holidays?
No doubt. It takes 2 to 3 weeks to get it through this, and sometimes less, sometimes more, but we have plenty of time to get through and get ready for the holidays and be ready to look your best.
Okay, speaking of looking best, let's take a look at some before and afters. These are actually some of your patients, and so talk to me about these patients and what they had done.
Well, the first one is a little lady that actually came in just for a fresh lift. Just had the typical changes, early changes. Had the little jowling, longer jawline, and a little fullness in her neck. That fullness is a little muscle called the platysma muscle. And since we all want to get that Hollywood neck, and tightening up that muscle, get that nice shelf underneath, and then relax that muscle so it won't bowstring us, if you will, is so important. And she just came in just a whole new person. She was so excited.
We have one more before and after, and you can see such a transformation. Look at the difference.
Yeah, we did do men as well, and the men have just as much vanity. They just don't come in quite as often.
But as much. Yeah.
But actually, we did not only his neck lift, but did his eyes and brow, and even a little chin implant, so that he got a little more balance to his profile, and just gave him a lot more confidence, and just a wonderful look. So.
I think Fresh Image is very appropriate, because the after always looks very fresh when they're done, and you're making it very easy for folks at home to even get the same transformation. You would recommend just giving you a call and setting up a consultation.
Right, yeah, just call the office, talk to Tamara, and she's our consultant, been with me for over 10 years, and she knows this inside and out, and she can sit down and kind of talk about the different options of the surgery, but also the different financing options, and getting you the look that you want.
Speaking of some financing options, there's actually a special for our GMT viewers for Fresh Image Cosmetic Surgery Center. Okay, so you can get the Fresh Lift facelift for only $6,900, or 10% off any facial surgery. So remember, financing options, they're available. Here's the number to call. It's 800-803-0122 to schedule your complimentary consultation, or simply head over to their website. It's freshimagecenter.com/TV.